Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some exciting news for you Garmin owners. We now have YouTube Music offered on our Garmin devices. So let's go ahead and check it out on how you install it, and let's get started. All right, so Garmin has now released YouTube Music as one of the music providers that you can use on your Garmin fitness watch. So I've got the Garmin Epix Gen 2 here, and I've just set this up. So you can now, when we go in to select a music provider, let me just go ahead and go into the menu, and we'll go ahead and scroll down until we get to music. And we go to music providers. You can now see that YouTube Music is available. I've got this installed, so I'm going to walk you through how to do it because it is a little confusing, but it works just fine. So let's go ahead and start off. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to download the Connect IQ application on your phone if you don't already have that, because you have to install it from that application. So if we go ahead and open up our Garmin Connect app, so we'll go ahead and go into menu, and we should have an option in here for Connect IQ Store. So we'll go ahead and select that. You'll need to make sure that you download that on your smartphone, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android. I am using an Android. And you'll see right here, one of the featured apps is YouTube Music. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to select that, and it will have an install button. I've already installed it. It shows that it is installed. So once you get it installed, it will show up on the watch, but then you're going to have to make a couple different changes in here. Number one thing that I found after fiddling with this is make sure that you turn on your notifications in your Garmin Connect app. So in your Garmin Connect app, when you first set it up, if you go into your settings, you'll see that there is a notification section under push notifications. Make sure that you allow that because it's going to ask you to authenticate your device with YouTube Music. So let me go ahead and show you how this works. So I've got it installed on here. So we'll go ahead, and when we hold down the top left button, we have our music controls, and you'll see that I have my YouTube Music installed here. So if we hold in on the button here, we go to music providers, then we'll select the YouTube Music. The next step it will ask you to do is to authenticate your account. So you will go ahead and select that. It will then open a browser on your phone, and you'll get a little notification that'll pop up that will say open up on whatever browser you're using. So mine was Google Chrome. I went ahead and opened it. It will ask you to log into the account. There will be a code on the watch that you'll need to enter in there to authenticate. Then once you do that, you will now have the YouTube Music app on your watch. If you hold in the button here, we have a couple options here. And if we scroll down, and we'll go to music, you'll see here's the music providers. We've got YouTube Music. And if we go to play it, it's going to connect to whatever headphones you've been using. If you don't have any headphones paired to the device, then it will go ahead and ask you to pair them. One thing to note is this does not stream, so you will need to download your playlist on the watch so that you can listen to the music when you're out and about. And to do that, you can go ahead and press this button once, and you get some options here. So the first one is we have YouTube Music. When you select YouTube Music, you're going to get a list here. So you're going to get your downloads, your library, your music, your podcasts, remove, update all, and settings. So what you'll want to do is once you authenticate your account, you'll go into your library. You'll go ahead and select your playlist. So if we just scroll down here, let's just pick one. Let's go ahead and pick this one here. So you'll see there's a little arrow here. So we can just go ahead and press that arrow, and then it's going to tell you that it's going to download it. So what it needs is it's going to search for the Wi-Fi connection. You do need to be on Wi-Fi in order for this to work. It can take a bit of time depending on your speed, depending on how close you are to the router. So right now it's searching for the network. Once it connects to the network, you'll see that it's connected, and then it will go ahead and sync, which can take a bit of time. Once that's all done, and we'll go ahead and go back in here. So if we go to downloads, you'll see we can do all music, we can do update all. So I'm going to say all music, and it's just going to show the one playlist that I downloaded, and then I can select that. It'll connect to the headphones that you're using, and you'll be able to use your music. So really super excited to see Garmin offering YouTube music instead of just Spotify and Deezer and a couple others. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to help you because it did take a little while to get this working. I have not tested it on the iPhone, only on Android. But if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give us a like, consider subscribing to the channel, and click the bell notification so you're updated when new videos get uploaded. Appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.